AutoFry, a product of MTI, your source for ventless kitchen solutions. Performing the boil-out procedure on the AutoFry MTI-40E. What you will need: boil-out tablets, white vinegar, water, clean sponge, paper towels, rubber gloves, and measuring cup. Drain oil from oil pot. Wipe out any heavy sediment from the oil pot. Fill each pot with clean water to the oil fill line, 2 3/4 gallons each side. Place your boil-out fried pucks in your food entry chutes. Press the power symbol, followed by the tools icon, and then select the boil-out feature. AutoFry will preheat the water to 195 degrees. When the 15-minute countdown begins, drop your boil-out tabs into the boiling water by closing your food entry chutes. AutoFry will turn off after the 15 minutes have elapsed. Drain water from oil pots. Repeat on the opposite side. Prepare a vinegar solution consisting of 1 cup vinegar to 1 gallon of water and mix until fully combined. Thoroughly scrub and rinse the chutes with the vinegar solution, followed by water to avoid contaminating the oil. Complete the same process on the heating element cover plates. Rinse all oil pot surfaces with the vinegar solution, followed by water. Repeat the process on both sides. Wipe away any remaining residue. Questions? Feel free to reach out to us for further assistance.